Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a shipment in DHL. First, navigate to the DHL Express website and locate the Ship Now or Create Shipment option. You'll begin by entering your full sender and recipient details, including accurate addresses and contact numbers. It's crucial to specify both the origin and destination countries correctly to ensure smooth processing. This initial step lays the groundwork for your entire shipping process, so double-check all information for accuracy before proceeding. Next, you'll need to provide precise details about your package. This includes its exact dimensions, such as length, width, and height, along with its accurate weight. Then, choose the DHL service that best fits your needs, like DHL Express Worldwide for fast international delivery. Clearly declare the contents and the commercial value of your shipment. This is vital for customs and insurance purposes. Accuracy here helps prevent delays and ensures proper handling. Once your package details are entered, it's time for documentation. The system will generate your shipping labels and any required customs forms, which you'll need to print. For international shipments, carefully review all customs information, ensuring it matches your declared contents and value. Finally, proceed to the payment section. You can typically pay using a credit card or by charging it to an existing DHL account. Confirm all details before finalizing your payment. With payment complete, securely attach all printed shipping labels and documents to your package. Make sure they are clearly visible and firmly affixed. Your final step is to either schedule a convenient pickup directly from your location or drop off your package at a nearby DHL service point. You'll receive a tracking number to monitor your shipment's journey. For more details on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, check out the links in the description below. This easy guide helps ensure your DHL shipment is created correctly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.